Quillbot Tutorial for Beginners. Learn how to use Quillbot. So this is an online writing and paraphrasing tool that helps users rewrite, improve, and summarize text efficiently. It's definitely popular among students, professionals, and writers for polishing grammar, clarity, and tone. So basically, a simple guide on how to use Quillbot effectively as a beginner. So directly once you open up the website, you'll be able to see most of the tools right here in the left. There's even more like translators, summarizers, citation generators, Quillbot flows, and these other main tools. So uh, to have it easier, actually, you're gonna be able to log in over here in the very right. You can choose your language. You can even have dark mode as an option. But anyways, once you log in, it's much safer to log in to pretty much keep your records and whatnot. And by upgrading to premium, you should be able to unlock more features and more things definitely in your premium. So the premium plans will include all of these over here and apparently much more. So if you're using free though, you'll have these features over here that's already given to you. But all in all, the main features over. So the first thing you can do in Quillbot is choosing a tool. So from the tool name itself, of course, that's pretty much what it will do. So for example, we have a paraphraser. So expectedly, it will paraphrase a paragraph or a text that you will put in over here in the left. So you could choose these over here. As standard, it will paraphrase it into something else, so with new vocabulary and a word order. It could be in a fluent way or in a more human way, a formal way, academic way, a simple way. So let's go ahead and type over here the cool kitty sigma cat. So in the right over here, it's gonna paraphrase it in a standard mode. So once we go ahead and press on paraphrase in the standard mode, it's gonna do basically just that. So the cool kitty sigma cat will turn into the cool kitty, the sigma cat, the cool cat. So pretty much the same words, but paraphrased. So let's go ahead and try something else in a academic tone. So the cool kitty sigma cat will turn into the stylish sigma feline. Very academic. And finally, let's try one more. Let's try it in a more formal way. So we'll get a formal way of this wording over here. So let's go ahead and take this again for a different tool. Let's say a grammar checker. So it will check for any grammar mistakes and whatnot. You can even put in documents and files. So you can check if there are any grammar mistakes in that specific text or file. But anyways, over here, it says we're good to go. That means our grammar is perfect. So if we have a mistake like the cool kitty sigma cat, it should amazing. It didn't do anything bad. So let's just go ahead and do a little mistake over here on purpose, and as you can see, it will show us our grammar mistakes and recommendations on what it will do. So just go ahead and accept something much better, maybe this one. So now it will give us capitalization since this is the right grammar, and over here let's accept this since this seems better, and then is cat is a mistake, so once we accept, it will turn into is a cat, which is better grammar, and it even gives a little period at the end. But it pretty much works the same as the other tools as expected. As AI detector, it's gonna check if it is AI generated or not, plagiarism checker, AI humanizers, AI chat, and AI image generators. But that's pretty much the basics you can get in Quillbot. So hopefully you learned something from this video, and if you can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.